broadly categorized into electric-powered and gas-powered variants. Each type offers distinct benefits and operates under different principles, catering to a range of cleaning needs. Electric-powered pressure washers. Electric-powered pressure washers are prized for their convenience and ease of use. They are typically lighter and quieter than gas models, making them ideal for residential use. Users favor these for cleaning tasks like washing cars, outdoor furniture, small patios, and decks. Their operation is straightforward. Plug in, and you're ready to go. Gas-powered pressure washers. Gas-powered pressure washers, contrastingly, are built for more demanding tasks. They are the go-to choice for commercial applications and heavy-duty residential jobs. With pressure ratings often exceeding 2,000 psi, they effectively tackle tough grime and dirt on large decks, driveways, and siding.